The psychology of love, how to make someone fall for you. Attraction isn't just about looks, it's about emotions, chemistry, and deep psychological triggers. Have you ever wondered why we fall for certain people and not others? Science has some fascinating answers. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind attraction and how you can use psychology to create real, meaningful connections with someone special. 1. Build a genuine connection. Love starts with connection. People are naturally drawn to those who make them feel seen, heard, and understood. One powerful technique is mirroring, subtly mimicking someone's body language, tone, and gestures. This creates a subconscious bond, making them feel comfortable around you. Saying their name often in conversation also makes interactions feel more personal. But most importantly, be an active listener. Give them your full attention and show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. 2. The power of scarcity, less is more. Have you ever noticed that we tend to want what we can't have? That's called the scarcity principle. If you make yourself too available, the other person might take your presence for granted. Instead, maintain a healthy balance. Show interest, but also have your own life, passions, and boundaries. A little mystery keeps the spark alive and makes them crave your presence even more. 3. The halo effect. First impressions matter. First impressions are powerful. While physical attraction plays a role, it's about more than just looks. The halo effect is a psychological bias where people assume those who are well-groomed and confident also possess other positive qualities, like intelligence and kindness. Carry yourself with confidence, dress well, and take care of your appearance. It naturally makes you more attractive. 4. Confidence and high-value traits. Confidence is magnetic. People are drawn to those who are comfortable with themselves. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak with assurance. It signals self-worth. Competence is another attractive trait. Whether it's excelling at work, a hobby, or social skills, being good at something makes you desirable. And don't underestimate the power of passion. Having a deep enthusiasm for something in life makes you shine from within. 5. The familiarity principle. The more they see you, the more they like you. The mere exposure effect suggests that people naturally develop feelings for those they spend more time with. That's why friendships often turn into love. However, it's not just about seeing each other often, it's about meaningful interactions. Engage in deep conversations, share experiences, and build memories together. 6. Positive associations. Be the reason. They smile. Attraction isn't just about how you look, it's about how you make someone feel. The classical conditioning principle suggests that if someone associates you with positive emotions, laughter, excitement, and happiness, they will be more drawn to you. Be fun, playful, and create moments of joy together. A good sense of humor can go a long way. 7. Psychological arousal and excitement make their heart race. People often mistake excitement for attraction. This is why thrilling experiences, like going on a roller coaster, watching a scary movie, or traveling together, can enhance attraction. Engaging in exciting activities together creates a rush of adrenaline, which strengthens emotional bonds. 8. The power of subtle touch. Humans are wired to respond to touch, but it has to be natural and respectful. A light touch on the arm or shoulder during a conversation can create warmth and connection. This technique, known as haptic communication, helps deepen intimacy and trust. 9. Be mysterious. Keep them wanting. More people are naturally curious. If you reveal everything about yourself too soon, you leave no room for mystery. Instead, let them discover more about you over time. Keep an air of intrigue by sharing stories gradually and allow them to be curious about your thoughts and feelings. 10. Social proof. Be someone others admire. We are naturally drawn to those who are admired by others. This is called social proof. When someone sees that you're respected, valued, and loved by your friends, family, or social circle, they will subconsciously view you as more attractive. Surround yourself with great people, engage in social activities, and be someone who adds value to others' lives. Final thoughts. Attraction isn't about tricks or manipulation. It's about building real connections based on trust, chemistry, and emotional depth. Whether you're looking for love or simply want to be more magnetic, these psychological principles can help you form stronger, deeper relationships. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on love, psychology, and human connections. Let me know in the comments, what's the one thing that attracts you the most to someone?